Hi there, Brock Winchesky, Ram Commercial Vehicle Team. Today I'd like to tell you about our ambulance prep package that is part of the Ram chassis cab truck vehicle line. Now when you order the ambulance prep package, it comes with a 220 amp alternator on both the 6.4 liter gas and 6.7 liter diesel engines. Should you need to draw more current, you can opt for a dual alternator option at the time of the order of the vehicle. We've included 2 T-fittings on the AC lines to allow for easy upfit of your AC needs. Should you also need to add heat to the upfit, we've included 2 T-fittings and a small bag in the glove box that allow you to easily tap into the coolant line on the engine to provide heat to the back. Additionally, as part of the package, we've included a high amp power point, or a HAP as we refer to it, on the positive terminal of the battery. Now this is an M8 stud that would allow you to easily access power from the battery rather than having to splice into any of the vehicle's existing lines. For specific current capacities of the HAP, please go to our website. Additionally, as part of the ambulance prep package, we also package it with the VISM module, or vehicle system interface. That's located behind the park brake release next to the driver's left knee inside the passenger compartment. Based upon feedback from you, the customer, for 2016 we're going to introduce a special emissions package for ambulance and firefighter equipped vehicles. And hopefully that answers all of your questions about the ambulance prep package that we offer on the chassis cab truck. If you have any further questions, please visit our website or give us a call on our toll-free number. Thanks for watching.